Hey there, watch enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of luxury timepieces to explore the iconic Rolex Submariner, the watch that's adored by collectors worldwide. Let's uncover its history, design, features, and why it remains an everlasting favorite. Back in 1953, Rolex introduced the Submariner, a revolutionary diver's watch that could go underwater without any worries, up to 100 meters. People fell in love with it, not just divers but everyone who appreciated its tough build and classic style. Now, let's talk about its cool looks. The Submariner is made of strong stainless steel and has a rotating bezel that only moves in one direction. The hands and numbers on the watch glow in the dark, so you can always see the time, even when you're exploring the depths. What's inside matters too. The Submariner is powered by a special engine called the Calibre 3135. It's like a little machine inside the watch that keeps the time super accurate, and you don't even have to wind it up, it does it by itself. The best part? The Submariner isn't just for diving fanatics. It's designed to be fancy and fit any occasion, whether you're attending a fancy party or just hanging out with friends. Guess what? Owning a Submariner can be like having a treasure. Because they're made in limited numbers and loved by so many people, their value tends to go up over time, making them a smart investment. So, there you have it, the legendary Rolex Submariner. Loved by watch enthusiasts, divers, and anyone who appreciates timeless style and precision. Share your thoughts with us below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating luxury watch content. Until next time, keep ticking and stay stylish.